Should you wait to sell your home in 2022? My name is Devin Cook, a luxury realtor here in DFW, and today I'm gonna be answering that very important question that a lot of people have been asking. Now, I'm actually gonna answer it in two ways. And first, should you wait to sell your house in 2022? Yes. If you don't have a reason to sell your house, if you have an extremely low interest rate in or below that 3% range, or if you just love the current home that you're in, then don't sell your house. There's no reason to, and you might as well wait to sell it. And that's the answer I give to my clients that are just kind of looking around and kind of testing things out. If you don't have a real reason to sell and you're just kind of questioning the market right now, you might as well just wait, enjoy that low interest rate, and wait until you actually have a reason to move. Because moving is a hassle, and you might as well only do it if you really have to or want to. But now let me answer that question another way. Should you wait to sell your house in 2022? No. And the reason being, we're still in a seller's market. Now, a lot of people may not realize this because we have seen a decrease in the average sales price over the last 6 months, and we've seen an increase in the amount of days it takes for a home to sell on the market. However, even despite that decrease in sales price and that increase in days on market, we are still very much in a seller's market. The only difference is we're not in such an extreme seller's market like we saw in the last 18 to 24 months. Because 18 months ago, even 10 months ago at the start of this year, we saw about 1 month's supply of homes on the market. Versus right now, we have about a 3-month supply of homes on the market, meaning we've seen about a 3x increase in homes available. Now, a lot of people will look at that and say, look at the increase, look at how many extra homes are available and homes are taking longer to sell. We're definitely going into a buyer's market. And now we may go into a buyer's market in the future, only time will tell. But right now, per the statistics, we are still in a seller's market because we don't see a buyer's market until that 5 or 6 month supply mark. And right now here in DFW, we're just floating around that 3-month range. So as a seller in today's market, you shouldn't necessarily expect to get a dozen offers on your home in the first weekend like maybe you could have at the start of 2022. And also, you're going to have to price your home a little bit lower than you would have 6 months ago as well, which can definitely hurt. But with all that in mind, you as a seller still very much have the advantage. Your home is still gonna sell in, on average, 3 to 4 weeks, which is still very quick, and you can get moved on to that next property. So if you need to sell your house but you're worried because of what you've heard on the news about the housing market, go ahead and sell your home and get it on the market so that way you can move on to your new job or your new city or whatever you're looking to do. And if you have any questions or comments or would like to sell your home here in DFW, leave them in the comments or shoot me an email.